All right, so this video is how to pair your Paclktalk Slim to normal Bluetooth-based intercom systems. Headsets that don't have DMC mesh, and that have to be paired as a traditional Bluetooth intercom. So first and foremost, DMC is indicated by this green light. If we're going to be pairing with a Bluetooth headset, we got to get out of DMC mode. I can tell right now as well through the Cardo Connect app that I'm in DMC intercom mode. It's acting like a mesh headset. We're going to be pairing to a Cardo Bluetooth headset, so I need to act like a Bluetooth headset. The front and the middle button together.
Bluetooth intercom mode.
Okay, so the Paclktalk Slim is now acting like a Bluetooth intercom. Keep in mind, if you're with somebody else that has a DMC mesh headset, absolutely use DMC for your pairings for intercom. It is far superior, but that's not always the case, and we got to use Bluetooth intercom mode sometimes. In Bluetooth intercom, you've got an A channel and you've got a B channel. Now, the Cardo Connect app is showing you these. The only reason I even have this up here is so you get a visual idea of what's going on in your headset. A channel, B channel. Next to that, it says pair. And then down here, it's going to ask if it's the Cardo unit or if it's a non-Cardo unit. But we're not going to use I would just select that and it would go into that pairing mode. But for this, we're going to get rid of the app for the time being and use the buttons because that's probably what you're going to be doing more than often. So let me turn on my old trusty G9. Our Paclktalk Slim is acting like a Bluetooth intercom, which is indicated by the blue LED. And to go into Rider A pairing, the primary or the first pairing, I just press and hold this front intercom button until it starts flashing red. It'll tell me Rider A pairing here in a second. And on the G9, let me get that.
Rider A pairing.
I'll get that into A pairing mode as well. Okay, and now we just wait. As soon as we see the red lights go to a solid red, we'll know that they were paired successfully. This can take up to 2 minutes. Oftentimes, it's faster than that.
Paired successfully.
Okay, so the solid red light, it told us paired successfully. That purple, by the way, is it just reconnecting to my cell phone, which is off screen. But these two are now paired together in the Bluetooth intercom. Now, the way I can test that, intercom button again, if I tap that once, we should have it open up the intercom channel. Now, there's a little bit of a delay here. Okay, that little tone in my helmet and the double flashing blue lights tells me, yeah, these two units right now are actively in an intercom session. They're talking to each other. All is good. Let me cancel that. Single press for A, but for the A channel. Great. Now, my A channel is taken with this G9, but I have a B channel as well. The way I would pair for a second Bluetooth rider is I'm just going to go back, press and hold the intercom button. Now this time, give it 2 taps.
Rider B pairing.
Now I'm prepared for the B pairing slot. Gonna take another trusty unit. Turn it on real quick, and I'll put this into pairing mode as well. And just like before, we stare at the lights and we wait for them to go solid.
Paired successfully.
Okay, now we've got the G9 on channel A and we've got the Q1 on channel B, both of which do not have DMC, so I can't even use DMC on this. It's not an option for this ride. Let's test the intercom connection. Now, to open a connection to A channel, it's just 1 tap of the intercom button. To open a connection to the B channel, it's going to be 2 taps. Now, with Cardo's natural voice operation, I could just use the call intercom command. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't want it to trigger it, but I'll show you how to do it manually. So if I do 1 tap, we should see it open up the connection to my A channel. That little tone tells me, okay, we're now talking. Now, while I'm talking to this person, if I give it 2 taps, that should open up our connection to my B channel. Wait for the same tone. Okay, got the same tone, and I can see that the double flashing over here is that indicates, okay, this is talking to this, it's also talking to this. All 3 of these headsets are communicating with each other. Now, say I just wanted to drop this person off, but still keep comms with this person. This is my A channel. A channel is always one tap. Let me tap that. Okay, it just dropped this, but I'm still communicating with this person, as you can see from the double flashing lights. Let me cancel that as well with 2 taps for the B pairing. All right, now everybody's back to standby. My headset is reconnecting with my phone, which was indicated by the purple light. Let me try the call intercom command. So if I say, this is using Cardo's natural voice. Hey Cardo, call intercom.
Call intercom.
And this should be a completely hands-free way for it to open up both intercom channels. That was the A, that was the B. I see a double flashing on both. I haven't touched anything, but my headset is now open and connected with both headsets. If you have any questions, write them below. Thanks.